Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best engine smoke reducer additives that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to reduce oil consumption, prevent blue exhaust smoke, or improve overall engine performance, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is the Motor Power Care Engine Oil Stop Leak. This additive offers a safe and effective formula that not only prevents excessive exhaust smoke, but also seals gasket gaps and stops engine oil leaks. It's compatible with gasoline, LPG, and diesel engines, making it a highly versatile choice for a wide range of vehicles. The design is straightforward, with an easy pour bottle that helps users apply the product without hassle. Performance-wise, it improves engine oil viscosity and compression, reduces oil consumption, and even decreases engine noises. While the product offers a lot of functionality, its customer feedback is mixed, with a 3.6-star rating. Users report varying results, particularly in older engines with significant wear. Overall, this product is a good mid-tier option for those looking to manage oil leaks and smoke issues while improving engine performance. Pros include its multi-functionality and broad compatibility, but cons are its inconsistent results and limited customer reviews, perfect for users seeking an all-in-one solution. At number 3, we have the Bardol 2117 CS No Smoke plus Stop Leak Motor Oil Additive. This product is tailored for older engines, providing restoration by filling loose tolerances with a thick formula to reduce oil burning and excessive exhaust smoke. It also acts as a leak sealer, restoring dry seals and reducing engine noise, which is a significant benefit for aging vehicles. The Bardol additive stands out for its ability to improve emission control, making it ideal for vehicles that have trouble meeting environmental standards. The design features a 16 fluid-ounce bottle, ensuring plenty of product for multiple applications. Performance reviews highlight its effectiveness in reducing smoke and restoring compression, but some users have noted limited results in severely damaged engines. While Bardol has been a trusted name in automotive additives for over 85 years, this product's 4.4-star rating reflects occasional inconsistencies. It's a great choice for drivers looking to improve engine performance and reduce pollutants, but it may not be a magic solution for every situation. Pros include its stick formula and emission control benefits, while cons are its higher cost and variable results in worn engines. Taking the number 2 spot is the LIQUI MOLY Motor Oil Saver. Known for its high-quality formulation, this additive reduces oil consumption, prevents blue exhaust smoke, and regenerates seals made of plastic and rubber. It's particularly effective for preventing leaks and reducing pollution caused by oil dripping from the engine. The design is compact, with a 300 milliliter bottle that's easy to store and pour. Users have praised its ability to restore aging engine seals, making it a great choice for older vehicles struggling with oil leaks. Performance-wise, it ranks highly for its ability to deliver noticeable improvements in oil viscosity and overall engine health. With a 4.5-star rating and thousands of positive reviews, it's a reliable and trusted product in the automotive industry. The LIQUI MOLY Motor Oil Saver is perfect for drivers looking for an environmentally friendly solution to smoky exhausts and oil leaks. Pros include its seal regeneration capabilities and universal compatibility, while cons are its higher price point and limited volume per bottle. A solid pick for those who prioritize quality and effectiveness. Finally, at number 1, we have the LIQUI MOLY Oil Additive Ceratec 2002. This is a standout product that offers ceramic wear and tear protection for both petrol and diesel engines. Its unique formula reduces friction, enhances engine smoothness, and lowers fuel consumption, all while resisting extreme temperatures. The design is sleek and practical with a 300 milliliter bottle that's easy to use and store. Performance-wise, Ceratec excels, with users reporting noticeable improvements in engine performance and reduced wear over time. The additive is mixable with all commercially available motor oils and compatible with all common filter systems, making it highly versatile. With an impressive 4.7-star rating and nearly 28,000 reviews, it's the best-selling option in its category. This product is ideal for users who want maximum protection and performance enhancement for their engines. Pros include its long-term wear protection, high-temperature stability, and universal compatibility. Cons are its premium price and the need to ensure proper mixing with existing oil. If you're looking for the ultimate solution to improve your engine's lifespan and efficiency, Ceratec is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.